This is our GitHub that we posted it to. It's under my student ID IVG2. That's our Sudoku project, so we uploaded everything there, if you want to take a look.
So what we did was we made a main func class for the board, and this is the Sudoku board that we use. This is the puzzle that we've chosen for this project. So what we first did was we made 9 3x3 squares to allow changes to the board and make different moves and choose the X coordinate. And there's also a board that is a 9x9 array. So we split up the game board by making sure that the first 3 are X coordinates 0 to 3 and Y coordinates 0 to 3 and etc. It prints the board by giving indexes on the side from 0 to 8 for the X and the Y, so you know the X coordinates and Y coordinates you can choose. The game done function makes sure that there's no more zeros left on the board and the game is finished. The move function prints the value that you've wanted to put for a certain coordinate and also makes sure that different moves aren't valid, such as X coordinate greater than 8 or Y value greater than 8. So one point that we can put is the X coordinate 0, 0, and the Y value would also be 0, and the number that would work would be 3. So you put 3 as your value, and once you get that, you'll see that in the top left corner, the value 3 would be there.
We also had a valid move function to ensure that each of the moves that we're making are correct. So first it wants to check that it's not in the row, it's not in the column, it's not in the square, and then we input the board there if we ensure that it's a valid move. And then demonstrating the invalid move. So for 0, 0, the 0.6 would obviously not work because it's in the column right under it. So we try that, and it tells us that 6 is not a valid move, and the point was not inputted there in the spot 0, 0. And the same thing happens if we try to enter an index higher than 8. So we put in 10, it will tell us to pick another valid between 0 and 8. And that's our project.